Human activities have led to degradation and deforestation of landscapes and forests. And there are many forest and landscape restoration efforts going on across the globe to reverse this, where trees are planted. For example, for carbon uptake and to reduce the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. But talking about water, it is essential to note that the water cycle and forest ecosystems are highly interlinked. And if hydrological aspects aren't assessed and considered in restoration efforts, they can lead to unwanted effects. For example, they can negatively affect the water accessibility downstream or even further away, like which was mentioned before with moisture transportation in the atmosphere. And here in the image, you can see water ecosystem services, and many of ecosystem services are dependent on a healthy water cycle. And up to this date, most forest and landscape restoration initiatives don't integrate water aspects. And already existing tools don't address water risks in the landscape. So there is a need for a method or a tool that includes water aspects and risk. So how do we close this gap? At CV, we're currently developing the Water Smart Forest and Landscape Restoration Tool, the WFLR tool. And the tool is organized into a handbook with 6 modules with the target group sectors, organizations, agencies, and practitioners involved in FLR and other landscape interventions. And the tool will help the user assess water risks and opportunities in FLR together with relevant stakeholders and to identify response options or solutions to these risks to better strengthen water governance and actions on the ground. So don't forget about the water. Yes.